Welcome back, because today I'm showing you a ridiculously fast way to convert long landscape videos into viral vertical clips without spending hours on manual trimming. I recently shot a detailed drone review in widescreen for YouTube, and rather than cutting everything by hand, I let an AI tool do the heavy lifting for me. If you're tired of the grind behind turning long-form content into social media gold, stick around, because this workflow is going to save you massive amounts of time. Normally, the process of reframing involves duplicating sequences in your editing software, zooming in on every single shot, and hoping the framing looks right. That traditional method is tedious, prone to mistakes, and worst of all, it often fails to capture the actual moments that will perform well on social media. This tool approaches the task differently by analyzing your entire footage to identify viral-worthy highlights, punchlines, and points of genuine visual interest. My first step is simply uploading the master file, which keeps my downstream workflow clean and ensures everything remains high quality. The system scans the video to detect faces, audio peaks, and specific scene changes, building a library of candidate clips in just a few minutes. What makes this different is that it actively hunts for high energy lines or quick demos that are proven to stop people from scrolling past your content. It slices the contents into varied lengths, ranging from 15-second hooks to minute-long deep dives, perfectly suited for different platform requirements. Once the processing is done, you're presented with a queue of clips where the most important visual elements are already framed for vertical viewing. Whether it's a dramatic flyover or a talking headshot, the AI automatically recenters the action so you don't have to manually zoom and reposition every single frame. While I still personally review every suggested clip to make minor trims or tweaks, the time savings compared to doing this manually are absolutely massive. Beyond just editing, this platform acts as a powerful scheduling engine that pushes your content live at the exact moments you want. You can set your weekly posting frequency and let the system handle the distribution, eliminating the need to juggle exports and manual uploads across multiple apps. For creators, balancing multiple channels, having a centralized dashboard where you can edit, manage, and schedule content is a complete game changer. Traditional editors are powerful, but they force you to be the one picking every single cut point and deciding which parts to crop. While Smart Conform features exist in standard software, they are frame-focused rather than performance-focused, and they won't tell you which clips will actually blow up. This solution bundles discovery, reframing, and scheduling into one place, utilizing AI that is specifically trained to recognize what works on social media. The real friction in most workflows is jumping between separate apps for editing, captioning, and publishing, which this approach completely removes. Here is a quick practical tip. Make sure to name your projects clearly, like labeling them as full versions versus short clips so you stay organized long term. Always keep an eye on the AI suggested thumbnail frame, because picking a punchy image or adding a quick title overlay can make a huge difference in clicks. If you want to speed things up even further, I recommend picking 8 to 12 solid clips per video to start, focusing specifically on those with clear vocal hooks. You should also consider creating a few teaser cuts, which are just 6 to 8 second openers that jump straight into the action. Since many viewers watch without sound, I like to use snappier cuts with subtitles, and I'll often edit the AI-generated captions to better match my specific tone. If you are a creator who thrives on microcontrol, you can always export these edits back into your main software for one final polish. I have also put together a handy keyboard shortcuts cheat sheet for Premiere and Final Cut, which I have linked in the description for those who need to dive deep. To wrap up, if you are making horizontal videos and want to scale your distribution without hiring an entire editorial team, this is the most painless path. It does not replace human taste, but it dramatically reduces the grunt work and gives you smarter options than just blind cropping. You will get more content published and likely see better engagement, all without sacrificing the time you could be spending on your next big project. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a deep dive into the dashboard steps or share what other auto editing tools you have tried. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want more practical tips and tool reviews for creators, and I will see you in the next one.